Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist with you today at the Medley lead. This is a spur that comes off the Medley lead, and I'll get to those rail cars in 1 second. First I want to show you the crossing. So here you have your regular old run-of-the-mill crossbucks. This is facing south. They're doing some work over there at the Medley lead, as you can hear the horn. So I said track due south. You can see that there isn't much activity as the rails aren't really that polished. Still have wood cross ties over here. Let's see if we find a date on the rails. Man, it's oh, here you go. I see some numbers, but I can't quite make it out. Bear with me, guys. Oh, okay. Here we go. So again, I see some numbers here, but they are mostly faded. Cannot distinguish any years. What a good guy. He stopped at the crossing. All right. Yeah. So track due south. Let's see if north we have any luck with numbers. So yeah, guys, I'll include a Google Maps link to this location so you guys can follow along with me. I'm gonna show you the rail cars that are stopped here. So this is east and this is west, and right now I'm facing north. So this first rail car here, oh look, you guys know what that is, right? It wouldn't be Miami without one of those. It even still has the blood on it. It's a bloody railroad crossing, my old chap. So you can see the registration marks for that. It's a CBFX. And then here you have, so it's, you know why it's covered, right? Because these are the ones that cover that haul scrap metal, loose scrap metal. So you don't want, it's a liability to have those things flying all around the place. And as you can see, this one's pretty loaded as per the springs on it. Here you have your knuckle, your brake, the angle cock, your hose. There you see where it's covered, and back there you have some rock hoppers. I'm gonna see if I can still find a date on these rails. That thing has me, I'm very OCD about that. Like when I set out to do something, I always try to come through what I say. Here we go. 1944, 1944. Let me see if I can find the weight. So it's Tennessee, USA, 1944. I can't see, there's no poundage on the rails. It's definitely 1944 though. How unfortunate. Okay, so yeah, here you have your fully loaded rock hoppers. And yes, just on a siding waiting to be done so they can be hauled away. Alright, ladies and gents, let me know if you enjoyed this video below. Please comment, give me a thumbs up, it helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Always a pleasure. Take care. Please sub if you haven't. Bye-bye.